a 5mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a darning needle. Hello, today I will show you how to do this daisy granny square. Okay, the first step for making your daisy granny square, I will show you how to do this magic circle. So take your yarn, put the end in the front, and then we are going to wrap it around your two fingers and create an X. Then when you turn your hands, you'll have two strands on top of your two fingers. So now take your crochet hook, put it under the first one, grab the second one and pull it underneath and give it a twist. And the same strand, you're going to do a yarn over and pull it in the loop. Oops. Okay. Now slowly take out your two fingers from the loop. And sometimes it gets twisted like this, so just make sure that the end is not too twisted around the circle. So now we're going to do a chain 3, which will count as your first double crochet. 1, 2, that's 2 and 3. So this is your first double crochet. So we are going to do 11 more double crochets around the loop. To do a double crochet is you yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull up a loop. So now you'll have three loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you have 2 double crochets in your circle. So again, it is yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull up a loop, then you'll have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you will have 3 double crochets in your circle. So continue doing this until you have 12 double crochets, and I'll meet you back here. Okay, so now I have done 12 double crochets around the circle. So now we want to close this hole. So all you need to do is take this end piece and pull it so it closes the gap in the middle. Give it a little tug. And to join, we're going to join in the third chain from the first double crochet we did. We will do a slip stitch. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through. So now we have joined it in a circle. So chain 1, oops, and cut your yarn, pull it, okay, and there is your middle circle for your daisy square. What I like to do is to weave in the ends 3 times through stitches. So when I work on the next round, it'll be hidden, and then I can cut it off and I don't have to weave in the ends. Okay, the next step we will be doing are the 12 petals around our circle. For the daisy petals, do a slip knot, give it a twist. The yarn that's attached to your ball, put it on top of your finger. Take the second loop, put it under the first loop. Now take your crochet hook and pull it through. Now take your circle and pick one of the spaces that you want to start on. It can be anywhere, as long as you have 12 around, it's fine. So insert your hook. So we're going to attach it doing a slip stitch. Pull it through. Pull it through. Okay, so now it's attached. Now I usually like to take my tail ends, and as I go around the circle, I like to weave it in. So now, to start our petal, for the first one, we are going to chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to make 2 more treble crochets into the same space. So what you do is wrap the yarn twice around your hook, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, and pull up another loop. So you will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now you have 2 trebles in the same space. So do it one more time into the same space. So wrap your yarn around the hook twice, insert your hook into the chain space, yarn over, pull a loop. So now you will have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this will create your first petal in your circle. So to complete the first petal, you're going to pull up a loop a little bit, pinch it. Now your first triple crochet, you're going to find the 4th chain, and that's where you're going to insert your hook. So find the 4th chain, then take this loop, put it back onto your crochet hook, and you're going to pull that loop through. Careful not to lose it. Okay, to secure, you're going to chain 2. And there's your first petal. So I'll show you that again, and we'll work on the second petal. So here's your second space in your circle. So you're going to wrap your yarn twice, insert your hook into the space, pull up a loop, so you have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And do that 2 more times. Okay. And be sure to put it into the same chain space. Okay. So after you have 3 trebles in the same chain space, you're going to pull it up slightly. Carefully take off your hook from the loop. Now the first treble, you're going to put it into this space, and then you're going to grab this loop, put it back onto your crochet hook, and pull it through. To secure, you're going to chain 2. So there's your 2 petals. So continue in this manner until you get to the end, and I will show you how to attach to the end. So I'll show you. Okay, now that we have gone around and did our petals, make sure that you have 12 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just to be sure. So after that, you still chain 2. Now to join it, do not join it on the first treble. You're going to join it in the 3rd treble crochet of your first petal. So this loop right here, we're going to do a slip stitch. Okay, so your hook and do a slip stitch, tighten it up, and chain 1. And there you go. There's your daisy. So take your scissors, cut up some yarn, pull it through. So there is your daisy. So the next step we're going to be doing